Hey guys, 12 Beyblade 21 back here after making the blooper video on accident. Here I forgot to tell you that in the review I forgot to say that these Monster RC drift cars are all-wheel drive and backwards is rear wheel, and here's the on-off button right there. And the controller takes a 9-volt. Not to forget that. It takes a 9-volt. And here's the wheel adjust is right there. So you can adjust the wheels so they're not the wrong direction. And so let's get going. There's the cone over here. Okay. As you can see, it drifts pretty well. Whoops. Like I said, I'm not an expert, so. Kinda hit you again. I did another one, like from the blooper video. Put that cone back there. Again, whoops. Like I said, I'm really not too good. I mean, for beginners, these are really good cars because they're not hard to drift with. And for those who really like to drift one way like I do, try and keep to your right side because that seems to be my lucky side. And for those who like to parallel park and things like that, try and do that. You can do that also. These cars are great for that kind of stuff. I just came about a centimeter from hitting my iPod. I don't know if you can see my drifting very well, but it's pretty easy. So, there's the test run. Till next time, see ya.